when we talk about compression brake, what are we talking about? It's pretty straightforward technology. At the time that you're pouring the structure, road, bridge, building, whatever, you pour some companion cylinders in cylinder braking, and they're usually in a cylinder that's a standard 4 inches in diameter by 8 inches tall. We used to pour, and not so often, 6-inch diameter, 12 inches tall. It's basically a 2-to-1 ratio. We pour that cylinder, we cure it, and then we press it in a hydraulic press. And the hydraulic press presses a plate against the ends of the cylinder until it finds its weakest point, and then it shatters. And that's usually when you're shattering the difference between the cement that's holding the aggregate together. And that's just simply exactly what we're describing. We are compressing the cylinder to its breaking point.